Thank you for clicking in my video, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and select all. When we do that, when we upload a new video, you will be notified. Today we make a video how to get $30 in your cryptocurrency wallet account. This $30 you can get it by a giveaway airdrop by Lead Token wallet. This Lead Token wallet give an airdrop for at least $30 in the month of April. That is why we make a video before the month of April, and friends and brothers should be do that. All the process I will show you in this video. Don't skip any part of this video. Just follow me and listening me. You know, every cryptocurrency wallet it has passcodes. So you create your wallet, such like Trust wallet and so many wallet. You know about wallet. So when you create a wallet and save your passcode in a safe, very safe place that anyone that cannot see it. When you do that, after you create your wallet, set a 6-digit pin. After you set it a 6-digit pin in the Lead Tokens wallet, so then let me show you in the video tutorial. Let us jump to the video tutorial. Give me a 1 like, 1 share, and subscribe if you are not subscribed. So let us jump to our normal video where you see how to get that $30 airdrop by using Lead Token wallet. Thank you everybody and everyone. Thank you for your and everyone knows that they know how to create a wallet accounts. It's like all wallet accounts are it had fast and something and so on. So today we are going to jump into our normal videos to show how you get that $30 in your Lead account airdrop. So let me use it and open it. So you see my account, I open it now. It's now emptied and emptied. Let me refresh it. So you see my account is now refreshed. So then you come to the dark area. You see the Lead Token BIP20. That Lead Token BIP20. So click on it. When you click on it, then copy that wallet address. When you copy that wallet address, so go back to the Telegram. Go back to the Telegram. When you open your Telegram, I drop the link of the Telegram group of the Lead in the description. So you go and find it in the description. When you come to the Telegram, you come to the Lead wallet worldwide like that. Then when you come to the Lead wallet worldwide like that, so then press and then paste it. When you paste it, to then send it to the send it to the group like that. When you send it, then in April 2022, this April, you will get your airdrop for $30. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and so sharing it. Thank you.